Hello, my name is Michael with the Clearview Library District, here today with another Clearview Tech Tip. So over the summer, we partnered with the Weld RE-4 School District to launch SORA, which is a K-12 age-appropriate version of OverDrive and Libby. So it acts as a pass-through, so it allows Weld RE-4 students to access age-appropriate ematerials, which is determined by the school district. So this hopefully will help students in the Weld RE-4 School District access e-content, so e-books and e-audiobooks in partnership with the Clearview Library District. So I'm going to go ahead and share a PDF here. Okay, so the service is called SORA, and it's by OverDrive. So if you're familiar with OverDrive at the library where you can check out e-content, essentially what you'll do is you will go to soraapp.com. So here we are at soraapp.com. And it's going to ask you to find your school. So you will search for Weld RE-4, and then you're going to sign in using a Weld RE-4 School District login and password. So all new students or all students in Weld RE-4 this year should have received instructions on how to log into SORA and use it. If you have any questions about that, you can contact the school or us at Clearview Library, and we can probably get you in contact with the right people. But essentially, you'd follow this PDF. So you go to soraapp.com, you find the Weld RE-4 School District, you log in with your school username and password, you click the 3 lines in the top right corner and select Add a Library. You choose Clearview and select the Across Colorado Digital Consortium. And then you can begin to search for books, and you can click Borrow, and it will ask you to once again choose Weld RE-4 School District. I can't show you all of that because I don't have a school ID logon. However, that is the process. And again, this year, all students at the Weld RE-4 School District should have gotten instructions on how to log into SORA. But we just wanted to highlight our partnership this year in helping provide the school district with age-appropriate ebooks and audiobooks through the Clearview Library District. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to call or email the Clearview Library District, and we'll help get it sorted. Thanks again for joining me on another Clearview Tech Tip.